Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I am loving this new addition to my fitness routine, this vibration plate from Natini.
I have to admit, at first I was very skeptical. I've been seeing these all over the internet, and I was just so curious about whether or not it would work for me. But let me tell you, this is my new favorite thing to do every single day. It feels so fantastic. It helps relax my entire body. I only need to use it for about 10 minutes a day, and I can really feel a difference. It helps with lymphatic drainage, relief from any tension. I love it as a recovery from a workout, but also you can do a lot of different workouts on the vibration plate itself. It also comes with this great Pilates bar, and you just clip it right on. This also has suction cups, so you don't have to worry that it's going to vibrate all over the place. It stays exactly where it is when you turn it on. And I love that it also comes with a remote so you can turn it on and off while standing on it or from across the room when you want to be doing some different workouts on it. I love using this right before bed. It actually really helps relax me and get me nice and tired and ready for sleep. It really is a super versatile machine.
I have genuinely felt a difference using this machine. I am so happy to have it as part of my daily routine, and I really do recommend it. And that is my point of view.